experience with people the way they know for example, like non-programming colleagues, them, friends, other professionals too, and students. Many of them, they always give one and almost the same thing. Say their reason why they give up, or the reason why they not continue, or why they not take them serious. Now, waiting. Most of them that almost say lack of applicability or waiting where they learn. It no be easy for them for find real world projects for get involved, or useful project, or how to apply which way they learn, how to connect which way they learn with real world. Even though they spend very good time learning very good things, syntax, structure, the architecture, read plenty books, read about loops and for loops, they read about statements, if else, catch exception, and so on and so on. Inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, solid principle, you name the rest. But they no fit connect with real world project. My personal suggestion, for my own opinion, would be na say try to find projects, even if you no find some, try to imagine some by yourself. By so doing, you will see that motivation for always keep finding the right, let's say the right piece of code, or the right piece of coding, or the right way of coding. If you think something like maybe you want to build something where you want to detect smoke for house, whether that's smoke now, smoke from cooking, or now smoke by accident, maybe a burning house. You want to build something where if you monitor your home security camera, even when you're there for holidays, you want to create a security camera where you go always determine or dictate when Ejike come back from maybe from nightclub late for 3 o'clock. Or maybe even something where it will help you connect maybe your local school them, maybe your local primary school or your local college school them together, so that they feel at one point, they get one common lesson, and so on and so forth. Many methods than they. Just imagine a project. You don't really need to know how to do the coding. Just imagine the project. Once you be able to imagine project them, that one will help you as they narrow through various type of program them and so on. It'll be easy for you for always try for relate which way to learn with that project where you get. By so doing, you will see the need for keep on learning. So in addition to that, how we fit do to discover more? Many ways they join communities, be a volunteer, join like-minded people, be open to new ideas, to new things, to new way of thinking, to new way of doing things, to new way of seeing things. And most importantly, be your true self, right? In the programming community, they be quite open to share ideas, knowledge. So when you join, get involved in conversations, not usually avoid those kind of conversation where you initiate as if you want to try to disprove a point. Accept other people's opinion and present your own opinion. In that way, you will learn and share happily. So, think real life projects, no give up.